Hi there, in this episode we're going to add a cart add-on product to our Shopify cart drawer. And in this case, it will be the ability to add shipping protection to your order. So let's dive into it. Let's start by dragging in the cart add-on element in between our footer and the product upsell slider. Now let's zoom in a little bit. So here we have this element. Let's open up the layer panel, and then we can see that this layer consists of this icon. Then we have this row with the two text elements, and then we have this column with the price of this product, and then the toggle itself. The main row that holds all this content has a green outline instead of the regular blue outline. This means that this entire layer is connected to a Shopify product, and this is also indicated by this Shopify icon in the layer panel. So when we take a look on the right side, we can see that currently this product add-on element is connected to this placeholder product. But let's connect it to an actual product I have within my Shopify store. Let's look for the product shipping protection. It's added, the price is $8, and there we have it. Now let's take a look at my Shopify environment to see what this looks like. So within Shopify, I've created a product called shipping protection. There's no content whatsoever, just a title. Then this is an actual category within Shopify. So it's shipping insurance in product add-ons. This is like a digital product. Then I set the price to $8, and then you have to make sure that there's no inventory connected to this digital product. So that's how you set it up within Shopify. Going back to Instant, we can now start to change anything we want about this element. The text, the colors, the elements within. But for now, I just want to focus on how this actual element works within your Shopify cart drawer. So first of all, the main layer is selected, and we can see a blue dot in front of interactions and a blue dot in front of settings. So there is an interaction and there is a setting. Let's click on interactions, and then we can see that there's an action called toggle add-on. Let's delete it. Now let's edit ourselves, the toggle add-on, and here we have the option to either hide or show the product add-on in the cart. So when we click on show and a customer adds the shipping protection to their order, they will see also this product within their cart. But maybe you don't want that, then you set it to hide. This product won't show up in between the cart items. It will only show as a toggle right here where we placed it. Now let's focus on the setting. As you can see, there is a conditional saying only show the product add-on element when the cart count is greater than 0, which makes a lot of sense because if you don't have any products within your cart, it also doesn't make sense to add shipping protection to your order. Of course, we can customize this condition, but this is looking good. Now, that's it for the main element. And then I want to focus on this toggle. So when the toggle is selected, we can see that there's an interaction. Let's click on it, and we can see that there's an active effect, meaning when the toggle is sort of toggled on, this active effect will take place. Let's click on it, and we can see that the fill color, when it's active, will change to blue. It looks nice, but let's change it to black. So now when the toggle is activated, the toggle will become black. Let's click on this actual circle within the toggle. It also has an interaction, an active effect. Let's click on it, and we can see that this active effect has an offset of 15 pixels, basically meaning when the toggle is toggled on, the circle will move 15 pixels to the right, to the outer edges of the toggle itself. So that is great. And that's also actually it for this episode on the cart add-on product. So I hope you have a good understanding on how to create something like this yourself, and see you in the next episode.